Opa Buana Zebzebu Yana Zen on cousin who can. Now the all kind
he's bitter. That's the first thing. We see where discourse analysis. What I say? Discourse analysis. When you say Obi Krako Jinabe be koye we be I mean, come on, look, sometimes you need to see things for what they are. No matter manatra. Then some no man can share Okruma. Hey, mon pay me a cheap picture na mama sisia. It's my best repost to Neomoke Kano. My who Chelsea for me now for be danger basset. Omunina as I go do near Comian join the forces. Won't come before that, madam. By any why o say bibi. Many a cheap picture bina na biko in na more baby girl na why na say. Omo they love Yannick I said do beto.
Yeah.
Oh please wait Murevi.
Mekai.
Oh come in, so what is it?
Mekai.
And my who maybe Anna na me person ka Liverpool edge league no so the oma Kloop akanti me person adna on ka Chelsea mumu kwaji. I mean, what is that?
The yaw na mamu coach in a car.
I didn't know anyhow. Corny papa. You remember I was talking about Kloop pool. So be far for na fair player.
Yeah.
So see agent now. I say, oh man, the crying man in your boy in the Nankasa. A China boy in the sending the normal test me coach Chelsea to Jurgen. So he's pained. Look at this is the football world.
About Kutia with the
Massa no prayer back up. Some boys know if they have shame. Some players now your bomb mudino. Say new war my fan. January money Liverpool. They should go there and tell him say, oh Casado, come to. This is a big challenge for those boys to turn around. I call bomb na show mo.
Uncle Liverpool.
Hey, let me tell you. I'm saying, and no money be for money so. 2005. Sa Champions League semi-final be na any boy na. Yes, born na trala, almost born na trala no. And some Rafa Benitez ki catch John Terry Mono. Drogba took it personal. That was May 2005. October 2, 2005. I remember so well that day. Okay, Chelsea for not to Liverpool 4-1 in the Premier League.
Yes.
Look, make a statement. This is a rival coach taunting you openly. Take it upon yourself. Sir, Alex Ferguson in the time no. Now I can bibia for say no oma bechu. Ombe bow. Ombe mo bibi pa. Imagine say ke ya ye bibi pa nanka league capi ana any friend here Carabao no. Nanka omomi onu nyina progress. Yes Chelsea and Liverpool mbo semi-final and our final. To say last time no. Look, you guys must make a repost. Masra manfo asri obi apia obi sri mu bi na mwa beka bibi. Anyway, the players should see this as a challenge. Say me atami a footballer now beka bibi chemia. Look, I've not said this to you, but I'm telling you. We boy in your friend is saying error.
Boy there.
Oh.
Error.
Nadine Pano. Enoch Smith.
Yeah.
Me ofia na jube tu. Ye be bon pa na me nya na me na oboni audio. Be chairman am say how.
Oboni audio.
Yeah, and I'm say that way don't confirm for you know you. But down for what sorry no say more WhatsApp platform be so and a boy in there to so.
Audio.
Yeah. So before won't be na me ba he will bring me down. Or to form I've forgotten the exact words.
Audio movie.
Sir.
Movie.
Oh, okay. Oh,
what's audio?
Senke ba me ho first cry. I would have censored the video. Me man name call because hano. You get it. And I do too. Timi say about 3 ane abom pa na wi. Na manya kwan da kakra because my emre. Timi dana ebo be 5 for ananka ma sorry age match na akama. Or the empire no 2 move from 2 no be see be 5:30 AM. Riba baba. I don't know come from my can be saying oh yeah. No so joining here. No say yeah me here I don't for so for a Pentecost of friend Philemon. Yeah, Philemon so join here. Hey, am I joining be?
Oh yeah.
And nani nyina team ani so. Nti ye bomb pie ni wie no. Na me se ko. Me ntwe ho hwefo nipa be na betima twe ho hwefo. When a day see me. So yeah, but what we were going to do that time a go see any soldier now for na MSC only maybe V. Please, you get the point.
Matthias.
These players must seize this opportunity. Now you see a team bonding meeting.
Yes.
Look, they should see this as a right opportunity. Sheffield, you buying the we are turning our season around. What can I say? I'm calling Chelsea air boka makama. Kakolo bit makaka sanzemwe.
That will go
to dare not. You dare not. These boys have been given a challenge. Just like the legends of yesterday did. They should seize the opportunity.
That bakumbo.
Huh?
That bakumbo.
And I make her say, Kaisedo like this. Oni Enzo, ye boy malavia.
Enzo do all form kakra.
Therefore,
so Jindi.
Wow, oh, go. Ndu ka say Salah ni team nim ni aton na. Nke be so da win you so on. Huh? Say Salah ni ho, say boy ya boy. Salah oni Liverpool biem. Nka de da win you say ne be man fans.
Abi am say Enzo ni is Argentina dey.
Check it. What Ngolo Kante o say Enzo. Momo ya mo fe ya de ohun. Me say omo yemi hu no lineup na me yem Jimmy Rim. Na me ne no yen tam kese pa ya sa Super Cup na no mo so we pra no. Se no we pra mpa no de boss abo na nyame ehun. Because na ko betima tenafie na egu omu tim no.
No de be mo adwuma.
Ayo brade nyame. Ngolo na oboti amo na yem jeje won.
O Kante di oni ball.
Masa jai. Jai kra jai.
As a born or be born.
Mira o de me ento aso. Farouk Koka de oye wa anya de. Wako bu referee safe in France league ni eja boy. Ankara Guchu. And omni race for bobo. Referee ni ewie ya president at Messi Park and so akọ Bonnie Blue or that form no be butu ni bi. Hwe sa di we ya ye no take ho no. Eno president nankasa Erdogan odna no atumbi. Say go man animals. Ye ja bon some video na magana for rebi. Ye ja suspend the league ni na. Mehmet Kuru Keshi ono your FA president.
Yeah.
O say ye. There kwa
afon.
Look at that. President in the dika ko two blow no.
Yes.
Orlando so palma. Utum so unu ane ha so a. Oma bure finifina na omo yes ade we bi nyina no pay ya che omo including Mr. President. Ya che no. Charge their bomb injuring public official in a sports field due to his public duty, resulting in a fracture. Into referee Halel Umut Mela and they nyame adman ho beton na bibia tima konkan. But this is it. Me say bre na yo adwuma ye hwe ha na ye won. TV ntin referee na ni no. Ya so papa ka say tennis ball. O ma land punch no. Hey, we Ghana Division 1. TV so na ye nya mantia.
We there.
Adwuma ye ni krum he ni. Ghana ha de no. The corner club president say RFA then no grabba. No jina pre-match as referee say na ya wini onkofi o. Onkofi say na de ne bai. No adwuma ye te Ghana ha di no. Nti take di aba ye kenka betima ka brofo ne de ne asre omo. Ba ye mfa referee ha. Bre na senka to obi o Ghana ha. Nka adichi ye se club president ni na handcuff egu ne nsa no. Ye charge no. Nanso ye bebu referee no. We ya bu no a ama TV so no. No a kwaje 10,000 Ghana no we year fin report mu say ye bu. President no so ye bu ni wi a na ye de kwa esanse na damfo ne FA president nti ye nka hwe nkyere no.
Only nam baby.
In another case, ne aya adiama police action no. Ne afre police ne say when nya nipa na ama na nkwa wo ye be transfer akwa ekurase. No so ejai. So ours is systemic and endemic. You bet ma take it all the time, but Mira, the tintini ni titi and say we have a problem with the passion and the management of people in football. It's not just Ghana. Here they need a West. This is your club president. Then the authors never pack no Mary in the day. Born and they 1-1.
Yes.
It is all the any president mpo and a ultras in mum in the sea park and so no munya referee Halil Mulut Mela and come kunu da da obi abutu ni bi
o ma bono pa o point ye na president TZ back na so
obi abutu ni bi Charlie. This is it. You know hardring they suspended league media ha make se pa ne say atamala we ne bo a obo
yeah
e wo no
yes
me obi aminim say o say de ne kwa afcon ni bi
I was on my ball Kaiseris for ball 10 matches in a row mun lusu bi atamala we djumo ye ho na ehu
jikusu ho atamala we ni ball pa
but so that atama mo na anu omo call
atamala we
ana 20 no
yeah, but he's better than
atama there's no from Ghana
atamala we ni ball
he's better than Jiku
so to say
atamala we
suspended league
better than Jiku
nti form ben na omo de baba bo afko na man
Jiku atamala we ayi amate
ya suspended league no nti sa ansa mantema yo December mo From Benham. So I say. So because we just say na see corner of corner. Nkofo budget kran ko duro mpesa mo jaf konso mo ni budget ness. Ba be kan wasem.
So why it no money?
La. Enra what athletics at the awards nearby. Na bibia timi call kama. Odara ma de be fam ne de si na Mr. Jeff aba. Ye be sha se e wo omo fife ba afi na wiase hu omo nkra no. The Rising Star Awards. E mana fam no na e ade a kama pa. Faith Heritage from the Kenyan School of Steeplechase. Sene na no be kan say Steeplechase the cowboy Kenya Ezekiel Kemboy ene omomaka na ohia Faith Heritage oye emano Rising Star ne modern mo a obo na fi no enye modern mo ketwa modern mo ben at 19 years oye bronze medalist ewo Budapest in the World Athletics Championship. Faith Heritage no the first teenager to be on the model podium. A member na fem the Kenya GD say on the heir apparent to David Rudisha. David Rudisha a police near 800 meters world record no. He's a master of the 800 meters. You're finding the 2-lap race.
Yeah.
Oko pack no humi no. Now London Olympics no. And now all the 800 meters world record no. A 2 form. And then Emmanuel Wanyonyi ababe she nature no. Or the Rising Star. And Kweku is only a matter of time. I feel Diamond League na 2 year no. Wanyonya. Ono ne eji 800 meters no. Odi mpanyifo ni nia. Ye call World Athletics Championship no so or a silver medalist. Inti Emmanuel Wanyoni ono so at 19 years. Kweku the world is under his feet. Senye pra any subambone bi ne beba na kwemu a. Ewiase gidi say a matter of the next Olympic Games after Paris, he should be attacking the world record. What it means is that going into the next World Athletics Championship, he's the guy to beat. Paris, you know, he's still finding his feet. I feel no abam penny form. Name post Paris. Obiagidi say the world would clamor for Wanyoni, and Wanyoni would deliver at some point to Kenya. If you want to marathon, any race outside the track, Mikaye Tuno Abonteno, say out of the stadium races, no marathon kahon, race walk kahon, and mana fem, say Ethiopia phone or baby a friend said Tigist Asefa, or no, and the World Athlete of the Year. Why not? Okay, Ubriki Marathon World Record this year. This is a Tigist Asefa. The man is our award now. Esefata. Se bedi akon di sena esena kono nti Tigist Asefa nso so stamping him. And of course everybody knows Ethiopia when it comes to the long distance and then the marathon races. The land of Meseret Difar, the land of Tirinish Dibaba has produced yet another female athlete in the shape of Tigist Asefa. A man of him, Kelvin Kiptum. Why not? Omo na be dominating. 3. About 2 categories. 4 awards. We move on in East Africa.
Oh, so more only there.
Fantastic.
That way, your
Inti the woman no. Inti Kiptum, Calvin Kiptum.
Bobo.
And so what to say acquire word Ballon d'Or me Africa. Patrol.
And Africa best he place in
Africa best. You can weld. We are weld.
That's here, Bobby. That my case you call that.
You reality me free. Track no so.
That's all GND crowd.
You call field now field hono.
The time crowd
field no. A man there no. Mondo Duplantis. 3 years running. Mondo Duplantis has been so consistent on the pole vault. World record holder, world champion. He is the man to beat in the Olympic Games. Oko Mana Fema, the woman to beat, Yulima Rojas. Onwa na edi mane die no. Ono so a field athlete of the year. Hey, ye kwe wembra, ye den ya. Unim se ni krum for no mo medal bako. Oko track no so a. Noah Last, 100 meters, world champion. 200 meters, world champion. 4x1, world champion. He is the man to beat in the Paris Olympic Games. Hey, ye kwe Obia me tuno wempra or the na what ese kofi. Ye wie no. Faith Kipyegon akọ waba. Asem no. Faith Kipyegon is the female track athlete of the year. Awards in the categories in the kind air track, field, out of stadia, and a rising star. 4 categories. 8 awards were dished out last night. Kenya 1, Kenya 2, Kenya 3, Kenya 4. Out of 8 awards, Omambako Omunya 9.
Bishop